Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited for today's episode because I'm going to share to you the latest Louis Vuitton runway collection fall winter 2023. I have just seen the fashion show and OMG, it was really beautiful, and they have so many eye candy, so many tons of very beautiful bags. We are going to concentrate on the fall winter 2023 runway collection. Guys, are you excited as I am? So make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Premier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
So let us start first with the KEEPALL collection for fall winter 2023. So here I am predicting that this style would be very huge. So let's listen.
Worldwide to produce this material. It's not canvas as it looks like. Usually we start from canvas and then we do our prints, our embroidering, our embossing. And here we start from this miroir fabric textile. It's a new material. We start from this and then we do the printing of canvas. Maintaining, if you go close, you will see that you have this.
On the runway, it comes in 3 different sizes. We have the KEEPALL 25, then maybe the 50, and then the teeny tiny one. So this is the smallest one. Just look how cute and intricate this is. Here's another look of this very beautiful collection. Here we have another KEEPALL in this very fluffy material, like fur-like material. What do you think of this one, guys? And then we have this KEEPALL 40 or 50 in this art-like in the monogram different material prints. And then we have this metallic, very futuristic KEEPALL 25. So I'm not really sure if this is made of entirely of metal, but it may be very heavy. This is one of my favorite bags from the fall winter 2023, the fluffy and very cuddly KEEPALL 25 in the classic monogram with the vachetta leather. Here we have a crumpled KEEPALL in the patent leather finish. Next, let us check out the Alma in the fall winter 2023. So the very first one, they're bringing back the Alma GM in this very beautiful artwork by the designer that they have collaborated with. What do you think of this Alma design, guys? Is it a yes or no for you? So me personally, I am excited that they are bringing the GM size. The print that would be very popular, and I would be guessing would be very expensive. Just look how beautiful the detail is. Here it is on the runway for the Louis Vuitton fall winter 2023. Just look at the size, it's gorgeous. Next on the collection are the monogram art. So the very first one, just look at how intricate the details are of this very beautiful backpack. This one, guys, I love this on the sac plat. Just look at the very textural detail of the monogram art. Then we have different bags here. More beautiful artwork for you. Then we have a trunk version. How beautiful the artwork is. Definitely a collector's piece. Next, we have the Soft Papillon collection for fall winter 2023. This one I really like, and are you noticing that there is a baby bag charm? How cute this bag is. And then we have it in the exotic leather edition, and you're going to see Louis Vuitton logo is written on the side. And then we have another multicolored epi version. It slouches very beautifully, just like the very trendy side trunk. Next on the collection, we have the printed monogram bags. So the very first one here, so we have multiple bags here. Guys, are you a fan of this one? So it's like an illusion. You have a bag on a bag. So we are going to see a metallic foil finish bag, and then they have printed the very classic styles of the monogram bag, just like this one, the KEEPALL 50. Then we have a backpack version, of course. What do you think? Then we have the newer designs from Fall Winter 2023. This, guys, is one of my top 3 favorite of the collection. Just look, so a sack plat with many different bags. So they have the KEEPALL XS, the Boat Chapeau, they have the Messenger. I'm guessing this would be very expensive as well. Another favorite on this collection, I love the size of this sack plat, and as you are going to see, it's a bag-on-bag trend. We are seeing multiple bag attached to the sack plat. So gorgeous! We have a trunk here in the very beautiful multicolored epi leather. Then we have this like a pochette métis kind of bag in the very beautiful bottle green. It would also be available in this metallic silver, very futuristic color. What do you think, guys? Then we have a shoulder / crossbody bag. Again, this very beautiful multicolored epi leather finish. We have a crumpled soft trunk here in the very beautiful metallic finish. Another beautiful soft trunk in this very beautiful monogram metallic finish. Another fun and quirky take for the Fall Winter 2023. What do you think? So here's another close-up look for you. So it's made to be like a camera. Then here we have the newer styles from Louis Vuitton. Closing in, just I love the front leather of this one. It comes in black, of course. Then this one is very interesting. I'm not really sure if this is like a real functional bag. This one, I'm not really sure if it's a mug, a bag, or a speaker. What do you think, guys? Then we have this pillowy like shoulder bag. Love the metallic finish on this monogram. What do you think? They do have the very beautiful epi leather on most of the bags here. Just look at this very beautiful epi / tote bag. Love the tag on this bag. Then we have this very beautiful backpack. Wow, love the many pocket design on this one. This one looks very, very modern.
There, did you enjoy Louis Vuitton's latest fashion show, Fall Winter 2023? Guys, I would love to hear from each and every one of you among the beautiful bags that has walked the runway and that we have discussed for today. Which one is your favorite and possibly adding to your wish list? Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member for our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!